you doing?
I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Hey there. Hopefully this is working this time. It didn't work the other day, so I'm going to wait till I see a couple comments pop on to make sure that we are actually live. Katie, could you check on your phone? And make sure that I'm live on my... Oh, there's one. Tiffany says hello. So a couple weeks ago, or actually I think it was last week, I used this program and there's something was wrong, either with Facebook or the program, but my live wasn't working. Hello, so I'm hoping you can hear me and see me. And we are going to make a really fun card today. So simple, so easy. I'm really embracing this new kind of idea of simple stamping and trying to keep it as simple as possible while also making it still really adorable and fun. So I'm going to switch so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's do that now. Okay, so we're going to use the beautiful Baubles stamp set and framelit set. If you have not already purchased this set, I would highly recommend adding it to your list. Let me adjust my camera here just a little bit. Adding it to your list and getting it. It is beautiful. Obviously, it says beautiful right there. But the great thing is you could really use these framelits even if you didn't want the stamp set. Okay, so before we get started, I have a few things to share with you. Number one is that I am now going to be allowing anybody and everybody to join my VIP Facebook group. And there is one reason for that. The reason is because I realized that when I was doing these Facebook Lives, a lot of people don't see them until much after the fact, or they don't realize that I'm live. And it's because of the way Facebook delivers information now. So if you're in my VIP Facebook group, it's going to let you know when I'm live and it's going to show you the stuff that I'm sharing. So if you want to join my VIP Facebook group, you can totally do that. And you don't have to be a customer at this point. I hope eventually you will be. And you can join that group. So if you want to do that, you can just search Wendy's Lovin' Stampin' VIP Facebook group or VIP, something like that, and you'll find it. Okay, hi Melinda. So there's that. Second thing I want to remind you or tell you about in case you don't know is Stampin' Up! Starting their online extravaganza sale on, oh my gosh, November 23rd. The date just flew out of my head. November 23rd. So this week, and it'll go all the way through November 28th. I don't know yet what the sale is going to be. I don't know what's on sale. I know they're going to have a Friday. They usually do like a Friday door buster and then a Cyber Monday thing. But there'll be sales all through that time period. So if you're interested in purchasing during that sale, hold on till then. Super exciting news. The tutorial design team that I'm part of, we have decided to create an exclusive tutorial just for that 5 days. You can't purchase it. You can only get it free with an order during those dates. And they are all Christmas stocking stuffers. That's what we focused our goodies around. So if you're interested, are you interesting? If you're interested in getting that tutorial, you can get it that way. And then I'm also offering double punches from November 23rd to November 28th. So I sent an email out about that this morning. Hope you got it. If you didn't, sign up for my emails. You can go to my blog at lovinstampin.com and click yes please right next to my face and you'll be able to sign up for emails. Okay, that's all that stuff. Let's talk about these. So each week I've decided going forward I'm going to be doing a product spotlight. So my spotlight this week is the beautiful Baubles stamp set and die set, and I have created a card to show you today then I'm hopping off here and I'm going to be going live in my VIP Facebook group and showing another card with the same stamp set that's kind of a stepped up version of the card I'm going to show you today. And then I've got an awesome video coming out for you on Wednesday featuring this set. And so you're going to get plenty of ideas using this set throughout the week. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm listed under Wendy Cranford on Instagram. Follow me here. Follow me in my VIP group and you'll be able to see all those cool ideas. Okay, so let's set this aside. Oh, I have this beautiful card to show you too. This was a random act of kindness that was sent to me. It's a thank you and it's absolutely beautiful. And then this gorgeous envelope that my team member Carol made also. So I just wanted to show you that because I thought it was really pretty. And I love that she took the time to make such a gorgeous card for me. Okay, so here's today's card. I'm going to show you the card first because there's two versions of this card. The first version is in Mary Merlot. And you can see I've used the Mary Merlot glimmer paper down here at the bottom. And the second card is in Tranquil Tide. Isn't that pretty? We really could do this in Tranquil Tide or Shaded Spruce. So I'm going to grab my Mary Merlot because that's the one that's my favorite of the two. And I'm going to show you how to create this card. It's really simple. I need to get a piece of grid paper. So no matter what your stamping level is, you could create this card very easily. And I have to tell you, I've got my drink here, that it's easy to create, but it's also really easy to step up and make it a lot more fancy than it is here. However, I just love a clean and simple, elegant card. It's one of my very favorite styles. So we're gonna do that. All right, so now now you could leave this folded in half and stamp on it, but I prefer to use Post-it note tape and lay my card out flat. If you don't have Post-it note tape, you could use masking tape. There's lots of different things that you could use, or like I said, you could just leave it folded in half and then you don't have to worry about it. Hello in Michigan. I always love seeing where you guys are joining me from. That's so fun. Okay, so I'm going to ink up my stamp in Mary Merlot. And if you're new to stamping, you know you just have to tap lightly. This is not like when you were in 3rd grade and the ink pad was always dry and you had to push really hard and twist and turn. You're going to get an awesome inked up impression with just tapping and stamping straight down and straight up. There's no need to rock the stamp back and forth. There's no need to roll it. You can see I missed right there. So I'm going to attempt to line this back up. I got it off a little bit. That's okay. And then we're going to stamp one more time right here. And it's just going to go off the edge of the paper. And you can see that both sides it's going off the edge. That's important. You don't want to start your stamp to where the edge of your stamp starts here on the edge of the paper. You want it to be cohesive where it's going to go off one side and off the other side. So it just kind of gives it this look like it would just keep continuing on. Now you can see where I made some mistakes, and that's okay. There's lots of ways we could cover that. I'm not going to personally worry about it today because I'm just going to keep doing my stamping. But if that bothered you, you could use the die cuts to cut out the shapes and cover those up, and there's one here, it's a little off as well, or things like that. So don't worry about it if you mess up. And I always like to say it's handmade, not Hallmark, right? So if it's perfect, then that means a machine could do it. All right, so I'm going to, if my glue will come out, this glue is almost empty. I need to get another one. Sorry guys, give me just a second. Oh, good grief. There we go. All right. Had to poke a hole in it there. The things that happen to us on live TV, it's awesome. All right, so I'm going to add this little thin 1/4 of an inch strip of Joyous Glimmer paper down to the bottom. Now, if you don't have this glimmer paper, you could use other glimmer paper. Oh, that's sweet, Diane. Thank you. We are actually not in any danger here where we're at. The fire's quite a ways from us, but there are so many suffering, so we appreciate your prayers. Okay, and then I'm just going to stamp this off to the right side. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And then the best part is when you pull away your mask and you have this really perfect line at the top and you finished your card. Isn't that cute? So simple and easy. Quick. You could stamp a bazillion of these really fast and your family and friends will think you're amazing. Okay, so we are going to do some giveaways and then we'll have a little break, and if you want to, you can join me over in my VIP group. I would love it if you join me there because I'll be live again at 11:15 a.m. Okay, so let's do some giveaways for those that have commented. I've got these two, and then I've got, let's see. So I'm going to do 2 giveaways today. I'm going to add a whole bunch of paper in on these giveaways though, because I need to get some of it out of my house, you guys. What a problem to have, right? This one. All right, this one doesn't have as many packs of paper, but that's okay. All right. So we've got, these are retired paper stacks. Oh, this is the same thing. Good grief. Okay. So these are retired paper stacks, and I guess this actually could, oh, I see what I've done. I've combined some of them. Okay. So we've got these, and then this is a re-inker and a sponge dauber and an ink cube and some good grief, twine, and I've got 2 of those. Post-it note tape, where do I get it? I get it on Amazon. So if you go to Amazon and you search Post-it note removable labeling tape, it comes in a big roll like this. This is the 2-inch wide. You can get the thinner ones. I have them like that are this size also. This one is 1-inch wide. So yeah, I couldn't live without these. I use them all the time. I use them to hold my dies in place sometimes when I'm cutting, all kinds of stuff. Okay, let's do these 2 giveaways really quick. Winner number 1 is Jewel Easterling. Jewel Easterling, you won this goodie pack. If you want it, you need to claim it by messaging me on Facebook with your address, or you can email me at wendy.cranford@live.com with your email address. I mean, with your mailing address, sorry. Okay, second winner is, come on, scroll. Michelle Welling. Michelle Welling, you won this pack of goodies. So we have Jewel Easterling and Michelle Welling. I better write these down right now. Let me get a Post-it. Because I'll forget. And that would be bad. So we have Jewel. And then if they're not claimed in 24 hours, they'll go back up for a giveaway next time. Michelle Welling. All right, let's see if we have any other comments or questions. Hi, Joanne. Yes, congrats, ladies. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know this was a really quick Facebook Live today. Wasn't here for very long, but I only had the one really simple card to show you. If you want to see another card from me, join me at 11:15 a.m. in my VIP Facebook group. And I will be doing a stepped up version of what I've already showed you now. So if you want to see that, hop on over there, because I really want to be able to go live in both places from now on. So this will be a regular Monday thing, 10:30 a.m. here, 11:15 a.m. in my VIP group. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions or need to contact me, you can contact me through levinstampin.com and click on the contact button. And I hope to see you again next week. They're saying, hi, sister.
Hi.
She's right there working away. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. See you soon.